I'm Chanel and I am back with some more AliExpress goodies. Now, I did say I'm done with stickers, but I'd forgotten that actually I still had some to come, and they all arrived today, so I can get the stickers out of the way. And I've got a couple of other little things as well in my haul today. So let's put the stickers to one side. You won't believe the price of those stickers, by the way. And let's have a look at these. Okay, let's put them there a minute. Now, these are dies. This is a bow die, which I haven't actually done, but it's a frilly one, and it's £1.67, and it makes bows like this. Excuse me, but they're lacy around the edge, but I just didn't have time to finish them. We have this bow die, and this is £1.27. And it makes these lovely, cute dies. I mean, cute bows. I mean, how cute are they to go on projects? Just adorable. Look, with the two, like double bow there. They're so cute. And I made those two of those. They are really adorable. That one I love. And both came out gorgeous. So that is that one there. I will put the links to all of these products in the description of the video, where you can go and get these to save you having to search for them. And all of the prices also include shipping, I'm so sorry, as well. Now this one makes this gorgeous, great big huge die. I've done it in bright colours so that you can see it. It's the lattice like bow, super easy to make, and I've just used a brad there. And this one is 99p. Look at that. With postage, 99p. How cool is that? That's a super big bow as well. Love them. Love the bows. This is a heart die. And what it does, it cuts out this heart pattern here. And also you get these negative hearts from it as well. Now, this was, let me have a look, see how much it was. £1.05, and it makes this. And then I've just decorated that with some pearls. And I mean, the seller actually showed an example of it, so I've just basically done the same thing, but you could do loads with it. I mean, look at that, it's so cute. And like I said, the negative hearts I've used there, and that was £1.05. So that is super cool. And if you like dies and you like doing different little projects, these are super cute. Great for like wedding invitations, or save the dates. I don't know, anything like that. Anniversary cards. You could put a sentiment on it. Just very cute. As you can see, I've been die cutting, and my table is horrifically filthy. Can you see how dirty that is? Right, let's get to stickers. Now, all of these little boxes were 65p, and I believe there's 64 pieces in each one. Now, you know, stickers sound a bit like stickers, but, you know, in the vintage sort of things that we're doing, use these. Oh, Charles, you nearly collided with me. I do use stickers quite a lot, and I like the variety that this seller has. So what I'll do is I shall just put a link in the description below. Actually cut the camera out then with his big tail. I was saying that I like to have variety with the stickers, and these definitely give you variety. I've got 6 different ones here. Will you sit down? That's it. And let me show these stickers to everybody. So this one here is cats. These are all cats, which are super cute. And I'm going to be using these in my cat journal. Right, so we have these cute little cats here, and there's some of them, you know, obviously they're repeated. Look at these little cute cats. Just adorable. Look at that one. I think there's 3 of each. Not sure. Oh, Look at that one. He's such a cute little baby. You are going to knock things off my shelf, mister. Oops. It's got lots of those ones. I might actually... Stop it now. Be 6 of each. I'm not sure. But look how cute these are. Look at that one. Look, he's sleeping. So, if you like cats, these are really, really cute. Look. He's licking his tummy. Oh, Charles is actually being good today. He's actually sitting and being very good. Oh, look, that looks similar to Charles, actually. But as you can see, lots and lots of cats in that one. I do have enough stickers now, I think. I'll show you in another video. I'll show you how I'm storing my stickers and how many I've now got. So I need to do some projects with them. So they're the cats. These ones here are quite interesting. They're like just squares of like book pages and paper, newspaper things. And they're just squares. So these would be really cool to use on projects. Lots and lots of different... Oh, you want to play, do you? There's some French. There's French again. French. And this is French. So the English there. And as you can see, look, there are just lots and lots and lots of squares of different print, like pages and things. Ow. Ow, Giles. Let's see if we can get these. Oh, we've left some in the box. Okay, I hope you all had a lovely weekend. I had a bit of a... It wasn't such a good weekend because my daughter... What are you doing, you div? Can everybody see you there? What are you doing? What are you shaking your paw? You are funny, Charles. You are just very, very beautiful. Let's put this back here so everyone can see what I'm doing. Right, okay, so, yeah, I was saying my daughter actually had been in hospital and she'd been let out in the middle of the week and then she had to go back in, and she was in over the weekend and not in our local town either, which was a bit of a nightmare, but she is home now and she's doing much, much, much better. So it was a bit of a worrying week, really. That's why I've done some of the videos that have gone up have been ones that I've scheduled. I haven't had time to do any because I've been, you know, looking after the little ones and that. No, don't be doing that on the camera, please. Not that. I do apologise, everyone. That's very rude. Go and have a wash somewhere else. Right, so this one, I like little sort of stamp size images. Very cute. Quite vintage. Little squirrels and flowers. I like little postage stamps. These are very cute. I like these. And then you've got like the little postmark ones and more flowers. I like these. These are very cute. Oh, look, you've even got little rabbits. Look, how cute is that? And bees. And someone writing, and postmark, there's a little stag there, and flowers. They're upside down, Charles. And they're even more upside down. So lots of flowers and trees and toadstools and things. So these are very cute. But 64p, and that's with postage. So and this seller has quite a few different ones, so you are spoilt for choice, and I'm probably not going to be able to get these back in the box, am I? Probably not, actually. So, oh, right. Okay, they're not going to go back in, are they? Are they? Yeah, they're going to go back in. Come on. Stop it. Stop it. Oh, we've done it. We've done it. I want to get them back in my box. Right, that's... Oh, I've lost track now, Charles. What I am doing. Right, that's that one. So we've done 3. But I think it's quite nice to be able to see these before you actually buy them. These are very cute. I do like these ones as well. I like them all, but these are very cute. These are quite colourful. And these have, you know, very colourful flowers, clocks, feathers, flowers, keys, writing pens, the birds. Excuse me. Very cute. Right, well that was a very huge coughing fit, and I don't know if it's because I've got Charles's hairs going up my nose. There's typewriters here, and little envelopes, and little wheels, lots and lots, little cups, and more birds. I like those ones. Those are very, very, very pretty. You are covering me in hairs, and I have to go out in a minute. I always wear black, and I shouldn't wear black, should I? Because you just cover... Okay, all right. You're very precious, I know. Right, what are we doing, Charles? You're just playing up for the camera, aren't you? Because you know that you have lots of people that look out for you. Yes, you do. I know. You're very beautiful. Right. These ones are... Let me have a look at these. Ugh. Right. These are just black and white. And they are lots of different words and print. Excuse me. Charles, stop it now. Just black and white little adverts. Oh, come on. Seriously. Oh, you do it to me every time, Charles. These are just very, very lovely. Lovely black and white. Stop it now. You're really winding me up. Whatever. No. Oh my gosh. Now look what you've done. Charles. Oh my goodness me. Now, oh my gosh. Stop it now. I swear, if he doesn't get my attention, he is so naughty. Now I have to pick all of them up. He's just made a huge... I'm going to show you in a minute what he's done. But let's look. Lots and lots of black and white. No, I'm not talking to you now. You are just... No, you're very naughty. I am so sorry, everyone. He is just a naughty child, and I need to get through this video now so I can clean up your mess. And you know what? I tidied up in here today. Alright, let's put those in there. I've got one more, and then we have an Alice in Wonderland set as well. Now, remember I said there's 64 pence a pack, and these last ones are... I give up with you, I really do. Again, these are black and white. Oh, these are like dates, so it's 29th, 12th, and they're different months as well. So you've got the 3rd. Is that 3rd? 3th. That doesn't make sense, does it? 3th. I suppose, sorry, it's supposed to be 3rd. It's 3th. 10th. 2nd. 1st. That's not right, is it? 9th. So these are good if you have special dates that you want to put in. I think there's also months, days of the week. Sure, it's Friday. I don't know if it's months, actually. Lots and lots of sewing machines and cups and gramophone, all different goodies. Right, I'm putting these away now because you're being very naughty. So those are the little boxes of stickers. and you get 64. So I think that for that price it gives you quite a lot of variety. And then I'm not sure of the price of these, I will find them, but look at these Alice in Wonderland stickers. Look, ha ha ha. These are very, I waited a while for these ones actually. Most of my stuff comes quite quickly, hoorah, but I think on Chinese New Year, excuse me, things did take a little bit longer. Okay, I like the way that these have got little sayings and words. There's the rabbit. Oh, just look, too cute. In despair, child, she is. She's in despair. Look at you. Ow. Oh my gosh. Stop now. Right. I'm not playing that game. No. Ow, Charles. Right. Oh my gosh. I'm really... I need to lie down now. Oh, look at the cat in the teacup. Now he's gone over there. Good job. Hello. Cold. Oops, what's that there? Cha. These are just good morning. Oh dear, yeah, oh dear, look at the mess on my floor. And I hoovered. Thank you. Oh, did I not go in shop then? Oh, these are very cute. I mean, they wouldn't have been very expensive. Look at these. I think these would probably be £1 or 88p or something like that. But I will definitely find the link for these. Let's put these in this little bag. So there's almost down. He's gone now. Now I've finished recording, or nearly finished. He's gone. And left me with, I'm going to show you the mess he has just made. Let me just show you what he did. He just knocked over all of that. That was in a little basket. And look what he's done. It was up here. And he's gone and knocked it all over. So that's what I have to put up with. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Once again, Charles destroyed it. I really do not know what I am doing. He does it every single time. And he's actually getting worse. He really is getting worse. You know, I do not know. It reminds me, actually, it's quite funny because I remember once going to the vets, to take one of my cats to the vets. And one of my cats was... don't know, seemed a bit stressed out, and they suggested I take him to cat behavioural classes. I didn't, but you know, I just thought I'd tell you that because I know that I'm not knocking people that do cat behavioural classes, but I couldn't see Bing sitting there and listening and being a good boy and being told what to do, basically. Could you imagine Charles doing it? He would probably headbutt the person. Right, I'm covered in hairs, as you can see. Look, I wore black and now I'm covered in hairs, so I'm going to have to roll myself now. Right, well, I hope you've enjoyed this. These products will be in the description. Just click on the link and it will take you there so that you can order these lovely goodies. Look at these cute bows. I do love these bows. Very adorable. And this one as well, which Charles has gone and wrecked as normal. So I'm going to leave you with those, and I shall see you all very soon. So take care. Bye-bye.